I am Farhana Begum, Assistant Teacher, Rangpur Jilla School. Welcome to our English class. Today's lesson, Pearls, Pearls, Pearls. Unit 7, Different People, Different Occupations. From this lesson, you will be able to read and understand text through silent reading. Ask and answer questions, write down the main ideas, write short paragraphs. Pearls. A pearl is a hard, glistering object produced within the soft tissue of a living shelled mollusk or another animal. A pearl is composed of calcium carbonate in minute crystalline form which has deposited in concentric layers. The ideal pearl is perfectly round and smooth, but many other shapes, the finest quality of natural pearls, have been highly valued as gemstones and objects of beauty for many centuries. Mythology, a collection of myths, especially one belonging to a particular religious or cultural tradition. Tales from Greek mythology. Ancient, belonging to the very distant past and no longer in existence. The ancient civilizations of the Mediterranean. Another word, dissolve, become or cause to become incorporated into a liquid so as to form of a solution, such as glucose dissolves easily in water. Thousands of years ago, the pearl was probably discovered while human beings were searching for food at the seashore. Throughout history, the pearl, with its shine, has been one of the most highly valued gems. There is a activity, question and answer. The first question is, do you think pearls were discovered by ancient? Why? Pearls were discovered by human beings while searching for food at the seashore. Second question. Why do you think pearls were valued so much in the past? Pearls were valued so much as it is a sign of love, respect, wealth, and social status in the past. What good luck the knights thought would pearls bring them? The knights thought to wear pearls in the battle for good luck. There is a substitution table. The answers are following. 1. The ancient Egyptians wore pearls as sign of love and respect. Answer number 2. The Greeks wore pearls as sign of wealth and social position. Sentence 3. The ancient Romans wore pearls as sign of wealth and social status. Sentence 4. The brave knights wore pearls for good luck. Now, different occupations such as pearl hunting. Pearl hunting, also known as pearling, is the activity of recovering pearls from wild molluscs, usually oysters or mussels, in the sea or fresh water. Bede or Bede is a nomadic ethnic group of Bangladesh. They are also known as Manta. The Bede traditionally live travel and earn their living on the river, which has given them the name of water gypsy or river gypsy. Fisherman. A fisherman is someone who captures fish and other animals from a body of water or gathers shellfish. Worldwide, there are about 38 million commercial and subsistence fishers and fish farmers. Fishers may be professional or recreational. There is a homework. Write a short paragraph about pearls. Follow the rules of health and hygiene. See the class and comment on comment box. Write your roll number and section. Thanks to you.